Good morning everyone. We are planning to go to Khan-Tengri. Today we are starting a new adventure, new trip to one of the most exciting place in my life, base camp of Khan-Tengri. We decided to stop by a store to pick up some essentials for the trip. One of the places where we usually come and eat on the way to Isuku is Katama Center. As always, they serve hot katama with sour cream, fresh and delicious. We arrived to the next destination, Cholpon Ata City. It's a popular tourist destination, especially in summer when visitors from all over come to enjoy the beauty of Lake Isuku. Later along the way, we took a refreshing swim in Isuku before getting back into the road. I think this is our last stop before we reach Karkara village, and we want to refill our tank with the gas, and also we want to buy some food. We are going to Karkara village. The road was terrible here, but right now the condition of the road is so perfect. By evening, we finally arrived to Karkara base camp Aksa.
Азыр вещиңерди мондай коюп, ужунга кирип бергиле. Анан ужундан чыккандан кийин Данияр выдаст вам спальные мешки и разместит наши комфортабельные.
We shoot some videos on the drones, and right now we are going to have a dinner. Let's see what does it look like.
Суп чабанский. Овощи. Сегодня у нас меню чабанский суп. Размещение занятий, спальники.
What a nice day today. We came to Karkara base camp of Aksai company, Aksai travel company, and we just had a Russian sauna. It was an amazing experience. We had a sauna and ice bath, and sauna and ice bath again, four times. Everything went well, so we are so exhausted, tired, and now we have to sleep because tomorrow morning we have flight to Khan-Tengri base camp. I look forward to flying the helicopter for the first time. Good morning everyone. We are going to the helicopter. In about 5 minutes we have the meeting of all team who are flying to Khan-Tengri base camp, and in about 15 minutes we taking off. I'm super excited. I hope everything will be fine. Loading our stuff into the helicopter.
Осторожно, кепки. Так, рюкзаки.
And then after helicopter gets away.
Our flight was delayed for about an hour because of the weather condition.
Бар полный, можете все улетает. То есть может даже...
We arrived to the base camp of Yuzhny. It's called Yuzhny, and I'll show you the Khan-Tengri. Khan-Tengri is unfortunately closed. The top of the Khan-Tengri is closed right now, but the base of the Khan-Tengri is fine. So the weather forecast for tomorrow is not good. It seems like whoever came here for one night, they must go in about 2 hours back to the Karkara, because otherwise they may stay here for 2 days or 3 days.
Крыловка?
Tankı tamaqtanu.
Tankı тамақтан.
We are so lucky that we had opened Khan-Tengri. It's just closed, and completely open Pameda or Victory Peak. There's 1, 2, 3 peaks, and the highest one is Victory. And the storm is coming. This is is how evening looks like in base camp South Inilchek. So far so good. The weather is also not bad for now. Just take a look at this place. We are now on the glacier. This glacier is one of the most long glacier in the world. The distance between the beginning of the glacier until the end is 65 kilometers, and the widest part of the glacier is 3.5 kilometers. Can you just imagine? Wow! And all the way along the glacier you can find so many lakes, good landscapes. Wow, that's so incredible. I have bad news. Yesterday night was disaster. I wasn't able to sleep well. I woke up every hour and I had a fever, general malaise, the pain on the chest, and diarrhea also. We had to go back to Karkara today, but because of the weather condition, we stayed here for one more night. I feel like I am trapped, so I cannot do anything. So I visited several times the doctor here in the base camp. He helped me a lot. I hope everything will be fine. Good morning, everyone. Today is the last day of staying in South Inilchek base camp, and hopefully we have a helicopter today and we can fly away from here. Yeah, we arrived to Karkara base camp. Now we're planning to take a shower. We became very stinky. And that brings our incredible adventure to an end. The foothills of Khan-Tengri and Pobeda Peak left us absolutely speechless. Towering mountains, dramatic skies, and nature at its most raw and majestic. Every day was packed with unforgettable moments. from the breathtaking views to the powerful silence of the highlands. One of the absolute highlights, the helicopter ride. It was not just transportation, it was an experience of lifetime. Flying over the Sunshine Mountains, waving through clouds and peaks was something we'll never forget. A huge thanks to Aksai Travel for organizing the helicopter tour to Khan-Tengri. Everything was incredibly well organized, safe, and seamless. If you're looking for an unforgettable way to explore the heart of mountains, this is it. Until the next adventure, stay wild and keep exploring. Bye bye.